Today we are going to be unboxing this Anker portable charger. This one is the 10,000 milliamp power bank and it is the model A1246. I bought this from Amazon for $49. I needed a portable charger. I actually don't have one. I had previously bought another one from Anker and that was the model A1229. But what I didn't like about that one was the fact that you can only use the USB outlet. It had a USB-C port, but you can only use it to charge the power bank and you couldn't use it to charge something else. And therefore I decided that that was pretty much useless for me because I wanted to use the USB-C. So in the box you get this little pouch that I don't think I'll be using at all. I don't know if anybody ever uses these things, but it comes included. You do get a cable with it. And here we get, oh, this is a nice cable. It has USB-C to USB-C, but you also get an adapter from USB-C to regular USB. That's good. And here's the charger. Get it open. I really hate this plastic. It's like you try to cut through it, but you can't. I mean, you try to open it like normally, but you can't, so you have to tear it apart. It's kind of weird. It's like in between plastic and paper. Anyhow, here is the charger. It's all hard plastic, but this side has texture to it. It's the button. Oh, it actually has some charge in it. And here you have the IQ regular USB and USB-C. Let's see if it would charge my phone. Maybe it doesn't have enough charge to charge my phone, but oh, damn you, Apple. When would you get into the USB-C? Anyways, here you have it. Here's my iPhone 12 mini for comparison. So it is smaller. It's definitely pocket friendly. Put it in your pocket to take it anywhere. I really just wanted something that I can take with me to charge my phone, to charge any lights that I have, or even my camera while I'm using it. And I feel like the 10,000 milliamp, it's gonna be just plenty for what I need. Alright, well there you have it. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to clean 8-bit.